Hey guys, it's me, Army of War. I finally got my GPD win. It took 3 days to get here, and I didn't have to pay for customs, which I was surprised I didn't have to. It just came here so quickly. I just got back home. I was chilling over the weekend, and I just noticed that the package just got here. I was expecting it to be delayed or customs were going to mess with my package basically, but they didn't this time, which is a surprise. Before we get onto the boxings, the only reason why I don't like customs is because if you look in my past videos, I did have two GPD wins, but one of them went into sleep mode and never came on, and the other one, I forgot what happened to the other one. Oh yeah, the screen popped out. So they told me to send it back to GPD, and it never came back. It got stuck in customs, so I lost $700. But I'm not going to blame it on GPD. Let's get on with the unboxing. If you want to hear more, I'll link another video. But this is the GPD WIN2. You just lift it up. You got this nice little GPD right here. I'm going to hide my code because I know it's down here somewhere. Come on. Alright, yep, that's my code. I'm going to lift the box up, take the code out, and flip it somewhere. So, what you do get in the box, I got a screen protector. I know some people in the Discord did not get a screen protector. I don't know if that's for everyone, but I got a screen protector. And that's for all my GPD WIN2s. I know when you say all, yes, I did get 3 GPD WIN2s. Most for multi-purpose. One's going to be running Windows. One's going to be running Mac OS X. Hopefully I can get Mac OS X to run so I can have a little mini Hackintosh, because I would be so happy. So you got the charger and the charging cable. That's basically it. Ooh, let's start it up and see if I have a charge. The other GPDs I don't have to unbox, but just in case if you're curious, if you think I'm lying, here go the other two right here. Still in the box, still in the box. But I'm not unboxing those. That'll make this video way too long that I would want it to be. So as I feel right now, this is a touch heavy. It is heavy. Because this thing is a monster. It is carrying, what is it? 10,000 milliamps of battery? Because I know it has two 4,900 milliamp batteries. I'm sorry, I'm not editing this video. I just want to get the unboxing done right quick. It's really nice. I like it. It feels like a nice premium machine to me. So what I'm hoping that's not the case for my GPD Win right now is the Wi-Fi issue and that whine that when you get from charging. I do not want that to happen. And on the Discord forums, people are having the speaker popping issue. I hope I don't have that with any of my GPD Wins. If I do, you will see a review for the GPD Wins after I use it for at least 2 weeks. But after this video, I am going to spam nothing but gaming videos. Ooh, goddamn. All right. See if it got a charge. Yes, it has a charge. Cool beans, cool beans. Oh, while it's loading, if you do want me to try Android OS or Remix OS or Phoenix OS, which is an Android operating system, I will have that running on basically one of my GPD Wins. I was thinking about getting the GPD XD, but a lot of people are saying don't waste your money on it because it's just like the regular XD, not the Plus. So what I did was I just bought another GPD Win2 so I can have it for basically Android gaming, basically. Alright, so let's get on with it. Ooh, feels nice. And I gotta say, this hinge is really tight right now. I'm gonna have to loosen that up. I gotta get out of this virgin stage.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and will have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
The speakers are way better than on
Use
the
your
Win
voice
1
or the
because these are
keyboard along the
actually
way.
stereo
And if you'd
speakers.
like
It's
me to
not
stay quiet,
mono.
you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader,
So,
press
guys
Windows,
or
Control,
girls, if you
then
want to
enter
see
keys
more,
at the
please
same
leave a
time
like
to
and
enable
subscribe.
narrator.
I will be putting up some
enough intro.
requests, so if you do
Let's
put it in
dig
the
in.
comment section below on some games, I do have a decent library. I have up to 250 games on Steam now.
Your region is
So,
set to
just leaving a
United
link.
States.
Just say,
Is that
hey,
right?
I want you to play this indie game. You already know the Win is not going to play high performance games. I'm basically going to use it for retro and most indie games. So, alright. Have a nice day, people.
Your keyboard is set to